it's your girl, the great Taye, and as you can see, today's video is a little bit different. I'm recording from my car. I ordered Indian food at one of my favorite spots, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just waiting for my food, and I'm like, you know what, let me just familiarize myself with my people. So I just decided to put this video together. I think you guys have seen like my videos of me doing hair and all that stuff, but you don't really know me, you know what I mean? So, you know, let me just tell you a few things about me. First thing is, as you guys may have already known by now, is that I am the owner of Dash 27. So we sell custom wigs. I make the wigs using the sewing machine, and also we have other hair accessories, other hair essentials. And so I'm the owner of Dash 27. Also, I have a 9-to-5. So trust me, you guys, I juggle my 9-to-5 and my business at the same time, and it's very hard. You know, I have to admit it's very hard, but you know what, it's doable. And another thing about me is that I have an Etsy store as well. So you know what, I'll link it in the description below. If you want, you can check that out. You know, your girl has, you know, I'm doing things. Doing things. So another thing about me is that I am Jamaican.
Sweet Jamaica, man, I land that. Me no stop love it.
You know, if you don't know, if you can tell by the accent by now, I'm Jamaican, born Jamaican, raised in Kingston, Jamaica. You know, like me a real yard girl. You understand what I try to say? Yeah, me that. I'm Jamaican, and but I reside in Canada. I live in Canada, okay? So I'm Jamaican Canadian, if you know what I mean. So another thing about me is that I'm Pisces, okay? I'm Pisces. I was born in the best month, and that's February. So yeah, February 23rd to be exact. So next year on the 23rd of February, just know to hit your girl up, okay? Another thing about me is, this is actually a random interesting fact about me. I'm a certified forklift driver.
All right, you beautiful bastard, show me what you got.
Yes, I am. I'm a certified forklift driver. I used to work in the construction field, so you know, that's where that all came about, okay? Another thing about me is that, oh my god, I'm always late, you guys. It's not even something that I should be proud of or something that I should laugh about, but I don't know, I can't help it. Like, I'm always late. Even when I try my best to be early, like, I'm always late. I'm always late. And my friends get really pissed off, you know. But, you know, if you guys are watching this right now, like, it's not a deliberate thing. Like, I'm really trying, okay? I'm really trying. But I'm just, like, always late. I don't know, it's just a thing. Yeah, so that's another thing about me. Yeah, I'm always late. Another thing is that I love dancehall music, okay?
Dancehall, I mean everything.
My favorite genre of music, it's dancehall music. And as I said before, like, I'm Jamaican, and I love me some dancehall music. Like I can listen to dancehall music all day, every day, all day, every day, all day, every day, all week, all year, all month. Yes, like I love dancehall music. I am dancehall, like, yeah, girl. I think that's a Jamaican thing though. I don't know. Comment below if you're Jamaican. All my Jamaican people, like, comment below please. Big up yard. Yes. Another thing about me is that my favorite food is oxtail and rice and peas. Okay, oxtail and rice and peas. So let me tell you, if you cook oxtail for me, like, I'm very, very, very judgmental of the oxtail if someone makes oxtail for me. Okay, like, don't spoil oxtail. Like, I love me some oxtail. That's my favorite dish. Another thing about me, okay, I'm afraid of dogs and cats. I think I'm afraid of all animals actually, but I'm like really, really scared of dogs. Okay, and I'm scared of cats. Like, cats, they'll just like look at you like with their eyes, and it's almost like, what are they thinking? Like, what do you want to do to me? Like, you know. And dogs, they bite. And for all those people out there, you know, you have your dogs as pets and stuff, like, I'm not trying to insult you or anything, but like, I don't really like dogs. Like, I'm scared of dogs. Like, I'm not an animal person. Another thing about me is that I have my bachelor's degree in business administration. So that's another cool thing about me. And, you know, fortunately, I am able to work in that field, you know, for my 9 to 5. Another thing about me is that I don't really watch TV, you guys. Like, I am not a TV person, to be honest with you. The TV will be on, and this is for people who actually know me, and they come to my house. Like, the TV is always on. For the most part, it's either muted or the volume is really low. It's like there for background music or for background lighting. I don't know. I just think that, you know, you should have a TV at home. I guess that's the reason why I have a TV. But I don't watch TV. I'm not a TV person. I'm not a movie person. Like, the moment I start watching a movie, for whatever reason, I fall asleep. Okay, I don't know. And whenever my TV's on, like, I'm either on my phone texting or whatever, or I'm on my computer and the TV's on but the volume is low, or it's like I mute the TV. But I don't know, it's a thing. It's weird. Comment below if you're like me, if you're not really a TV person, you know. And last thing about me, just one more thing, is that one of my biggest pet peeves is the smell of vomit, you guys. Oh my god, just thinking about it makes me want to gag. Okay, like, I don't even want to elaborate on it because it just like grosses me right out. Like, I hate the smell of vomit. Ugh. Okay, I don't like the smell of vomit. Just like, ugh. Yeah. So that's that. So yeah, that's just a few things about me. I don't know if you find it interesting, but yeah, I thought that, you know, you guys always see me on my channel. I'm always, you know, doing hair or making a wig or whatnot. So, you know, I just thought that doing this, you'll kind of, you know, be able to relate to me just a little bit. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Actually, one more thing about me, you guys. I love to travel. I love to travel. Now, I always ensure that I have a couple trips lined up, you know, within the year. But because of this whole quarantine and COVID crap that's going on right now, like, you know, I have to stay put. But definitely, like, whenever I go on my trips and stuff, like, I'll definitely do vlogs and stuff so you guys can see what's going on, you know what I mean? So anyways, I'm gonna go grab my food and stay blessed, keep motivated. Thanks for watching.